you will regret it. Lawrence, you remember? Yeah.
What happened? Yeah, but that's why I'm looking for other alternatives to host my website.
I recommend you take a look at domains.
Google.
This one.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
that's the best place.
All right. So I can just carry over my the domain name I purchased and then carry it over to that one.
Yeah.
All right. All right. So and then how would I go about create? Okay. After creating the website page, where would I go to actually upload it, and which link would I have to use?
Okay, so it's not complicated. It just needs a little bit of steps, right? So
Okay.
once you set up the hosting first, you'll need to change your name servers. So there's a little bit of IT involved where
Mm-hmm.
you change the name servers from your domain from Bluehost to domains, even though it's still on Bluehost. And then
Okay.
once you've changed the name servers, then you can upload your folders the same way you upload to GitHub. You upload them, and then your website, if it has an index.html file, it'll just pick that up as the home page.
All
So
right.
yeah, I'll create a video for that. It is actually something that I've been sitting on for quite a while. So now that someone needs it, I'll create a video and upload it, and you'll see step by step how to do it.
All right. Thank you so much.
All right, no problem.
Okay, perfect. Thank you so much, Brenda, for that question. And then let's carry on to Chris. Mr. Chris, how are you finding the course? How have you been? What challenges have you been facing?
I guess. I've been okay. Yeah, that's about it.
No challenges, nothing. How have you been finding it working with Jade, for example?
Working with Jay's been good. I think it's given me, a taste of how it is working with other people. Because beforehand, I've just been used to, working on projects on my own. If there's an issue, I debug it myself. But now there's this, back and forth of bouncing ideas off each other, debugging someone else's work, having your work debugged, and just figuring out issues that you're likely to find in the normal workspace. So yeah.
Awesome, great. Yeah, that's like a very vital part of being a software engineer. You're going to be working with a lot of people. So it's good that you guys are already getting the practice in now. Awesome. And then let's talk to Mr. Brandon. Brandon, are you there?
Yes, I am here. But yeah, I've not been facing also any challenges. Everything's been simple. I try not to overcomplicate stuff. So they actually, they are complicated. No, I mean they like they're easy. So yeah. Can you guys still hear me? Oh,
Okay, sorry. I was asking, how are you finding it to work with your partner? You're working with Arlintia, right?
currently I'm working with um Ungiziwe.
On Geziwe,
Then
okay.
yeah, Valencia as a partner, but yeah, I'm finding the custom projects really simple. So
Okay,
there's no struggle yet.
cool, cool. Awesome. All right, and then let's hear from Arlintia. Hey, Arlintia,
Hi there.
how are you?
I'm good, thanks, and yourself?
I'm good, thank you. How have you been doing, and how's the course treating you?
I've been doing quite well. There was a hiccup with GitHub and with my EWC page, I lost some of the CSS because I deleted some files and I had to get them back somehow. And then I just had an issue with GitHub, but I sorted it out. I was actually questioning, do I even want to be a software engineer? because that's how bad it was. But I was
Mm,
like, you know what, take 5 minutes and then reset, and then I did what was needed. And the course is so nice. Honestly, I love this part of the course. I'm not gonna lie.
okay.
And I'm currently working with Awonke, if I'm saying her name correct, on the group project. So yeah.
Perfect, perfect. All right. Yeah, I love how you actually went by and tried to solve your issues by yourself, because part of being a software developer, guys, you have to know how to solve problems, right? And then, yeah, don't give up whenever you are faced with something. Yeah, so that's good. And then, in terms of GitHub, you're saying you had an issue with it. What issue did you have so that I can try and help you?
So you showed me like a shorter version to publish to GitHub, right?
Mm-hmm.
So I used that, and then it kept on opening the repository, but there was nothing in the repository. And when I tried pushing out the code or the other files, it didn't want to. So I had to delete it continuously and then try again and try again like that.
Okay. All right. We'll try to fix that issue after class. Please just send me a reminder on WhatsApp or something, then I'll help you.
Okay, no problem. Thank you.
Alrighty. Okay, and then let's talk to Mr. William. William, how are you?
Hey guys, I'm good in yourself.
We're good, thank you. How are you finding
Yeah,
everything?
everything is fine. I've just been very swamped with my work lately. So I'm getting there. Everything's good so far. I had a question regarding the pair project. Um, on the requirements and all that, it says that we will be given a mock-up of the design. I was just confused. Is that like the with that link that you added on there for the Candua? Is it like that or
Hmm. Okay, so in terms of that, we added the link, you're right, can do it, so that you can see what we kind of expect from you guys, right?
okay?
So I'll just try to share my screen. Okay, so this is like an example of what Saida and I think Jared. So this is their makeovers that they presented to us for Bootstrap. So basically, it's a website or an application where you want to connect customers to professional home builders, right? Be creative and make it your own. That's what I can say. And just make sure that you are using Bootstrap fully so that you can have like the best experience and also the best website to show us, right? And then you also be presenting to us as well. So also communicate with your partner what you will be doing, who will be speaking. And just so you know, guys, whoever presents is getting extra points on the leaderboard. So if I were you, I would use that opportunity. And it's also good practice to be able to demo your work as a developer, right? I hope I'm making sense. William?
Yes, yes, that's perfect. Thank you so much.
All right.
Okay, yeah. So yeah, I'm gonna start tonight. So I'm working with Brenda. So Brenda, just bear with me. I'm going to disturb you a lot tonight.
That's good. That's good. Okay.
No problem.
Okay,
Perfect.
great.
Perfect. So you guys will be presenting very soon, so be prepared for that as well.
Okay.
All right, cool. And then who haven't I spoken to?
Hi, Table, you forgot about me.
Hi. I'm sorry.
It's
I'm
okay.
sorry, Tion. How can I forget about you, dude? How?
It's
How are
okay. I
you?
came in late because I clicked the wrong link. I'm so good. I'm recovering from flu.
Mm, okay. I'm glad you're doing better now. How are you finding everything?
All my projects are fine. I had the same issue with GitHub. Me and Olyncia were actually talking about it in the week. Oh, I think I would have finished my EWCTA project so much earlier if I didn't stress about GitHub. Because when I moved my project to GitHub, um, certain elements weren't appearing, and I had to check: did I move the files correctly? What's actually going on here? And then I just did it from the terminal instead of, because I did the upload method. I think that's what messed me up because I was
Okay.
being lazy. Then I just went into the terminal and I did git add, git commit, git pull, all of that. And then it came through right, and I'm like, yay! So that was good.
That's
And I
awesome.
and I was telling Alunchi, I said, look at our projects and like how far we've come, and like if we told ourselves no, we're gonna give up, where would we be? If we didn't tell ourselves, let's just keep pushing,
Yeah,
you know?
I like
So
that.
it was a bit of a headache, but it's all over now. Now I'm starting my homemakers app. I just don't know like who doesn't have a partner because I don't have a partner. But I want to start it today. I just have an idea of my logo and what template I want to use though.
Okay. All right. And then, do you guys think it's problematic that you have to find your own partner, or should we like continue maybe assigning partners to you guys? Because I see that maybe it could be like wasting time for you guys, or what do you think?
I
I
think
think
it's
it's
better if we discuss it amongst ourselves, see who's free, who doesn't have a partner, like choose for ourselves. Because, like you said, I think that's less consuming when it comes to time.
All right. All right. So you prefer that we assign the partners to you guys?
We actually choose our own partners, like we did right now.
Okay. All right. Cool. 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 JD, you wanted to say something?
Yeah, I actually disagree. I think it's easy if you assign partners. Um, we can work with different people, and I think it helps in just the logistics of it. As we all, yeah, like you said, it's wasting a lot of time trying to find people that don't have partners and things like that. That's my opinion.
All right, all right, all right. I will take that up to Mr. Larif and Mr. Loris, and then I'll get back to you guys regarding that. But I've heard you guys. All right, and then, oh, Mr. Loris started a poll. Mr. Loris.
Yeah, so let's just vote. Let's vote. Pick whether you want the mentors to assign you or whether you guys want to assign yourselves, and then we'll also factor in your thoughts and decisions on this decision.
Okay, cool. So you guys can vote, and then yeah, we'll take it from there.
Sorry, Tibu, can I just ask my cohort something while we're on the call?
Sure, sure. Please do.
Hi guys, I'm not sure if you guys can all hear me. I wanted to know, but you guys can reply in the group or I'll message everyone again in the group for those who couldn't make it to this call. I stated last week that I wanted us to do a peer learning day. So this is our weekly check-in, and then peer learning days where we just talk amongst ourselves for at least an hour to an hour and a half, share resources, share hardships. So I don't know which day and which time we can do that all together, considering load shedding and some of us go to work. But you guys must please let me know in the group what you think of that. Okay.
All right. Awesome, awesome. I think that's a great, great opportunity for you guys to be able to connect as well as to just review what you've learned because I feel like it's so important to solidify what you've learned throughout the course. So that's very good. All right. So, Mr. Lawrence, please tell us the results. What are the people saying?
Okay, all right. So from what are we hearing here, 4 people voted Microsoft mentors assign you. 2 people say that they want to assign themselves. However, using basic math, I can tell that not everyone voted on the poll. So guys, please vote on the poll so that your voice is heard. But otherwise, as it stands, it seems like we're the ones who are going to be assigning you guys pairs. So I'll just keep it on. Where is the poll? How do you find the poll from your end?
I don't know.
I think you click on the part which is written activities. On the bottom
Yes.
right, there's a little triangle, square, and circle, and then you should be able to see the poll there. And then you click. There we go. Got it. Yeah.
What?
So I'll just leave it on until the end of the call, and then we'll see. It's 4-3 as it stands, so it's neck and neck.
Mm. Okay, cool. Cool. All right, guys, do you have any questions for us? Anyone who has a question, please let us know. This is your opportunity. And then, other than that, we'll be ending the call. Okay, Jade.
Sorry, I'm still struggling with timelines from Mousesoft in how long we have to complete a specific level. And again, I just need to ask the same question regarding level 3 with the JavaScript fundamentals basics.
Okay. So, Mr. Loris will correct me if I'm wrong, but like in terms of JavaScript, the basics, you should be able to finish it in 2 weeks. Yeah, that is the timeline. So at the end of 2 weeks, you'll be presenting your project, your JavaScript project. You guys will be building shopping cart with your partner as well. So yeah, am I correct?
Yeah, that sounds right. Sounds right.
Okay. All right. Cool.
Sorry, so that's the end of next week.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Have you guys already started with JavaScript? Did you start this Monday with JavaScript?
Correct, yeah.
Yes. So that will be next week. Yeah.
Okay, hold on, guys. I just want to understand something. Has everyone finished their makeovers? Because I know that Jade and Chris, you guys were ahead of everyone. Where's everyone else?
I
think we
haven't
are
done
a bit
mine,
ahead.
but I'll get to it probably today. But yeah.
Okay.
Sorry, I'm happy to wait for everybody to catch up. It'll also give me a bit of time just to go through everything from HTML again.
Okay. All right. Okay. The thing is, guys, this is a boot camp, so I get what Jade is also saying. We have a timeline. We should have a timeline at the end of the day. So if you guys are still struggling with some things, please let us know. Please do let us know. We're always here to help you guys and to answer your questions. And then, yeah, I see Olympia, you also have your hand up.
I basically wanted to ask the same question because some people were like behind and some people were in front, so that's why it was hard for us to find partners as well. So yeah.
Okay. All right. So I see there's a struggle between like finding people that are on the same pace that you are on. So that's why we would like you guys to at least be on the same pace. If you're in the May cohort, make sure by the end of the 2 weeks, you guys are all done. Right. So that's the agreement I would like to make with you guys. Because now we can't have other people finishing and the others not. And also, you can't start Bootstrap if you're not done with HTML and CSS. So yeah, that's why we always check up on you guys so that you can let us know: are you struggling? How are you finding everything? What are your concerns? Right. So please do communicate that as well. Yeah. If there's any other questions, then we can end the call. I think. Okay, the poll results are complete. So we will be the ones that are assigning the pairs from now on. Okay, cool. All right. All right, everyone. I hope this was a informative call for you all. Do you guys have any more questions? Jade?
Sorry, I just wanted to find out if anybody agrees with me. If at the end of a level, if we can have a meeting with perhaps yourself, and we can just go through a comprehensive lesson, just covering everything again, so that we all really on the same page, and we can just reiterate the information that was covered in that So what we basically know what we need to know before moving on to the next level. I don't know if anybody else would like something
Yeah.
like that.
I think Tion also just said that now. She requested that if you guys could have like a peer to peer weekly meetings, maybe, where you guys just catch up and just find out where are you guys and help each other, basically. So it's the same thing. So you guys will have to discuss that like in your groups. And then if you'd like me also to participate in that, I will gladly do that. Okay, Mr. Loris.
All right, great stuff. Thank you so much, guys, for coming. Let me just unvideo myself for this last section. Um, Thank you so much for coming, guys. What I do want to hear and find out is when can we expect all the makeovers to come in, right? And then also so that we can give you the pairs and you can start off on the JS section. So I am going to say that mm, we can say you guys finish up working on it today and tomorrow. And then when Thursday starts, can it be so that everyone has done their makeovers so that we can start on the other one? How does that sound? That's fine. Okay, great stuff. Great stuff. Okay, so Thursday is when we expect everyone to be starting on their JS. By that time, you would have gotten your pairs sorted and chosen. If you have a particular person you want to work with, don't mind sending me a direct message and I'll pay you with your prepaid partner. But otherwise, yeah. All right. Thank you so much, guys. That's all from me. Back to you, Tim.
Okay, Alincia, you have a question?
So when will we be presenting the makeovers?
Next week. Mr. Lawrence is saying next week. So next week, Tuesday, when we have your weekly meeting, that will be the time that you guys will be presenting your makeovers. Yeah. Cool. All right. And then Tion, you wanted to discuss about the peer learning.
Hi again. Sorry. I just wanted to let Jade know if she's still with us. Okay, she is. Okay, cool. I just wanted to let my cohort know that that's one of my main reasons to facilitate peer learning day, because I feel like sometimes we sometimes rush through a process so we can get a project done because we're beating deadlines. So I'd like it if we can discuss it, make sure that everyone understands something thoroughly. If someone doesn't, there's obviously someone that knows something that we don't. Like, that's why I said let's just share information, let's share resources, let's share knowledge, hardships. That's what peer learning is for.
All right, perfect. Thank you so much, Tion. So, guys, you'll be discussing this further in your groups. Please take advantage of what Tion is saying, guys. It would really help you as a software developer because now you have people that you can connect with and people that can help you if you're struggling with a certain concept. So, take advantage of that. All right. So, if there's no other question, guys, we'll be ending the meeting here. Thank you so much for coming, guys. I'm so happy. I'm so happy that people came today. This makes me really, really happy. I'm proud of you guys. Thank you for coming and all the best. All the best with the course. Bye, guys.
Thank you. Bye. P. um, Let me stop it for you.